Good morning, student. You all are fit and fine at home. So let us start with our chapter Bones and Muscles. That is lesson 5. So what is bones and what is muscles? In this chapter we can clear it. When you touch in your body something hard, you feel something hard inside it. This hard thing is bones, and the soft part which you feel in the body is muscles. So first we know about bones. The hard and strong part of your body is called bones. Bones are there are 206 bones in our body. Bones are very necessary because it gives a shape to your body. It protects or it can create a structure of your body. Bones are very strong. These bones, the whole 206 bones makes a framework, make a frame. This frame is called skeleton. That means the structure of bones, 206 bones, the structure is called skeleton. So bones make a structure or frame of your body. You know that in a newborn baby there are 350 bones, but when he or she grew up, its joints and became 206. So these are, what are bones? Bones are hard and strong part of your body. One more thing of bones, the framework of bones can protect the internal delicate part of your body like lungs, heart, kidney, or your brain. The skull part of your body can protect your brain, and the framework of chest part, that is backbone and chest part, can protect, that is called rib cage. This rib cage can protect your heart and lungs because it is very important part of your body. So this bones, framework of your bones can give a support or frame of your body and also protect your delicate and internal parts which are very important for us. So how many bones in your body? There are 206 bones. Now joints. Joints. You know that we can easily rotate our hand, your leg, our head. We can bend our backbone. We can easily write and pick up anything. How it is possible? Because bones are hard and straight part. It is possible due to the joints. So what are joints? When the two bones meet and join in a place, this place is called joints. Like these joints, knee joints. So what is necessary to joints? Joint help us to pick, move, or easily can twist our body. It help us to move, walk, or run, because if there is no joints in our body is like straight and we can't bend it, we can't do anything. So joint help us to pick, take, walk, ride, so that we can easily rotate our body. Wherever our bones can move, these two bones move with the help of joints. So what is joint? Joints is a place where two bones meet and join each other. So it is very necessary. Next is muscles. The soft part of your body which cover the bones is called muscles. Muscles can cover your body. It is present inside the skin. There may be 200, more than 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles? More than 600 muscles. 600 muscles in our body. Why muscles are necessary? Muscles can cover the bones, which is the framework of our body, and with this muscles and bones we can easily rotate our body. That means we can easily walk with the help of legs muscles. We can move with the hand muscles. So all the walking, running, writing, eating, it all happen with the help of muscles, because bone is a framework and it will cover with the muscles, and these muscles help us to move, walk, run, jump, write, eat. This help with the help of muscles. So muscles are very important for our body. So we can take care of these muscles so that our body can smoothly run. For these muscles, what we do? To work properly, to run or work properly our body, we can do exercise, because exercise can fit and help our body to run smoothly. So we can, which type of exercise? Like walking, cycling, or some yoga you can do to keep our muscles strong. So exercise is very necessary for our muscles. Next one is posture. What is posture? The way you sit, walk and run is called posture. The correct way of walking, running and sitting, this is called posture. So posture is a way to run, sit, walk, and it is very necessary to take our body in a correct posture. When you sit, your back should be straight. When we run, our chest is inside and we can straight, so that our bones and muscles are perfectly. So it is very necessary for our body to keep the posture in correct. That means while walking, running, sitting, our back should be straight and our posture should be correct, so that our bones and muscles can work properly. Okay.